Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. This video 10 car maintenance tips for owners. So let's go for video. 10 car maintenance tips for women. Number 1, know how and when to pump your own gas. This might seem about obvious to some, but it's a really good place to start, especially if you are from an area where full service stations are the norm. Recently, I was talking to a friend about the little ways her subject, her husband shows her affection and it comes. Update she has never in her life compared her own gas signs. She one night right from the parents had to be getting married and having her husband take care of that. Also also did you know that solution shouldn't let your gas jug get value a quarter tank. This can this can cause issues in the winter. So it's good to be in the habit of it all year round. Number 2, how to top up washer fluid. How to top up washer fluid. On most cars, you should be able to simply pop the top of the reservoir reservoir and pour the windshield wiper fluid in. US is a woman if you are not confident in your hiring skill. Be careful with anything that come in touch with the fluid as it is highly flammable. Also, you should use a different formula for wash fluid in the summer versus the winter. They are also often different color to help remind you to the different. The summer one freeze, can freeze in the winter, so pay attention. Number 3, check your headlights. It's really easy to change the headlights bulb, and it's really important to be diligent about checking them. If you are brake, if your brake light to signal lights are not working, it can cause an accident or get a health ticket. There are a quick 1 minute video to show you are doing it. Number 4, know how to change a fuse. Fuse can burn out of bed in a car, just like in your home's fuse box. I one time checked the radio. It made fuss with my parts in caused a fuse to burn out. Now I keep extra fuses in the old glove box, and it's really easy to Check them if one runs. Number 5, check and top up oil. Check and top up oil. Changing the oil filter is an advanced task, task that can be great to know, but at the very last, you really do need to be able to check and add oil, especially if you are doing any road trips or long distance driving. Driving, just driving my daughter to and from school, past doing a couple errands in that week require me to often top up my oil a bit. So don't underestimate this week. My dad always recommended pure synthetic oil. My dad always recommended pure synthetic oil, and there can be some issue with maximum mixing oil types. So try to stick to one if you can. To check the oil properly, pull out the dipstick and wipe clean. Put a paper towel, rag of paper towel. Insert it tester, back in the tester, and then pull it out again. Compare compare the seal line to where the well comes up on the stick. Also, take note of how clean the well looks. It should not be dark to black. You can't want to fill your oil tank to the top as the oil will expand. And if you spill oil, it can cause smoking when the engine heats up. Get a cheap tunnel just for this purpose to avoid spills. Number 6, changing cabin air filter. It's not an essential skill, but it is really easy to do your own and can save your some money at the mechanic. The air filters stop engine smell from interior the car, which can cause headaches and also be worrying. Changing the air filter regularly prevents that and make it easier to know if your engine is putting out the smells, which can be an indication of a problem. How to jump a car? Okay, this might uh, this might seem like a big skill, but having it is a lifesaver to know how to do this yourself. Imagine if in the process of getting all of the tips and progresses out of the car, you accidentally leave a door or the trunk ajar, or maybe your child is like mine and loves flicking the light. Switch on the interior light. This these things can all lead to your Battery drive. Number one, can both car of park or natural setting. Number two, connect the red jumper cable to the red terminal of the not red battery. Connect the other red cable to the red terminal of the dead battery. Okay. Number four, connect the black cable to the black terminal of the not dead battery. Connect the other black cable to an unpainted metal surface like the pole holding up the hood. Number six, start the car of the not dead battery and run for a few minutes. Number seven, attempt to start the dead battery's car. Another thing is spend the 10 or $20 and get the set a jumper cable for your car if you are ever in the bind of needing to jump your car. Your your odds of finding someone willing to help are better than your odds of finding someone willing to help with jumper cables. So thanks watching my video. I hope you good and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.